Now, the BJP and the opposition are clashing over Jagdeep Dhankar's sudden resignation. Congress claims Jagdeep Dhankar's resignation goes beyond health reasons, citing his strong views on post-2014 India, farmers' issues and judicial accountability. Jairam Ramesh said Dhankar chaired the Business Advisory Committee meeting at 12:30 in the afternoon on Monday with JP Nadda and Kiran Rijiju present. The panel reconvened at 4:30 in the evening, but both ministers were absent. And Dhankar then decided to reschedule this meeting for the next morning. Congress alleges something serious occurred in that gap and urged Prime Minister Modi to persuade Dhankar to reconsider his resignation. JP Nadda responded, saying he and Kiran Rijiju skipped the 4:30 evening meeting due to urgent housework, and the Vice President's office was informed. The Congress had claimed that he was not informed, whereas JP Nadda also added that his on-record remark in the Rajya Sabha that he made while replying to the Operation Sindoor argument was aimed at interrupting MPs of the opposition and not the chair. He had said that whatever I say will go on record, not what you say will go on record. Many construed it as disrespect for chair because it is only the chair that can decide what goes on record and what does not. BJP MP Nishikant Dubey accused the opposition of double standards, wanting Dhankar removed earlier and now politicizing his resignation.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि राज्यसभा में सिर्फ विपक्ष का ये नोटिस एडमिट हो गया और उसको लेकर भी सरकार काफी सेंसिटिव थी, क्योंकि लोकसभा में सत्ता पक्ष और विपक्ष दोनों थे। आप लोग ने गुगली चल दी राज्यसभा में।
ये सच नहीं है। वहां भी सेक्रेटरी जनरल को हम लोगों के सामने बुला के कह रहे थे कि पता करिए कि लोकसभा में आया है कि नहीं आया है, और जब तक लोकसभा में नहीं आता तब तक उस पर वो आगे बढ़ने को तैयार नहीं थे।
ये भी बताया जा रहा है कि 4/7 पे धनकर साहब ने राज्यसभा में लाइव टेलीकास्ट भी हो रहा था, उसमें ये सूचित किया कि ये एडमिट नोटिस आया है, लोकसभा में भी आया है, मेघवाल साहब से भी पूछते हैं और आगे की प्रक्रिया की बात।
हाँ, तो यही बात कर रहे थे। उस समय भी हम लोगों के सामने भी उन्होंने यही बात कही कि लोकसभा में और ये होता है, सो मीटिंग जरूर चेयरमैन के यहाँ होता है, कोई भी इस तरह की मीटिंग, तो पहले लोकसभा में आया कि नहीं आया खुद सेक्रेटरी जनरल को बुला के हम लोग के सामने ही पूछ रहे थे।
सरकार से कुछ तनाव की बातचीत या कोई बात जिसको लेके आपको लगता है टेंशन बनी हो?
मतलब उसकी जानकारी नहीं है, लेकिन हम आपके चैनल के माध्यम से जरूर आग्रह करेंगे प्रधानमंत्री जी को इंटरवेन करना चाहिए और उनको पद पर बने रहने को कहना चाहिए।
उनके दिमाग में काला है, दाल में काला नहीं है। देयर इज अ ब्लैक इन देयर ब्रेन। हर चीज पर आप राजनीति कर रहे हो यार। कोई इंसान somebody is not well, वो भाई बात करते करते अब हम गिर जाएं, आप गिर जाएं, किसी को अगले पल का पता है। डॉक्टर ने बोला वो टेक रेस्ट, ही इज टेकिंग रेस्ट यार, लेट हिम रेस्ट। उस पर भी राजनीति आप कर रहे हैं यार, हद है।
सरकार की तबीयत में प्रॉब्लम ये है तो उनको कोई ना कोई बकरा मिलना चाहिए, तो वो कुछ ना कुछ बहाने बना के बेचारे को उतरवा दिए। तो आप देखिए, अब यही मिला, किसानों का एक जाति मिला इस सरकार को कि उठाते ही उनका बेइज्जती कर दे। तो हम सब लोग देख रहे, देश गवाह है कि कल सुबह तक स्वास्थ्य ठीक थी, हाउस चला, हाउस की नोटिफिकेशन का 20 दिन पहले हम सबको मिला, तो जब तक स्वास्थ्य ठीक थी।
तो हम जानना चाहते हैं सरकार से ऐसा हुआ क्या कि उन्होंने शाम को इस तरीके से इस्तीफ़ा दिया है, क्योंकि लाइक आई सेड मन में हमारे भी सवाल हैं और केंद्र सरकार को बताना चाहिए कि क्या हेल्थ एक कारण है या उनको किसी तरीके से उन पे के ऊपर कार्रवाई की मांग हुई या कुछ हुआ है, क्योंकि नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन जब विपक्ष लाई थी तो उसको खारिज कर दिया गया था।
ही इज अनवेल फॉर लॉन्ग फ्यू मंथ्स Therefore, if he resigned from the health ground, then it is, of course, he has felt it that he will not be in a position to discharge the duty as a vice president, which is required to be done under the constitution.
And joining us once again is India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai. Rajdeep, there are so many versions, so many theories coming out, especially from the opposition side. So what are all these theories? What are they saying?
Look, the opposition is also fishing in troubled waters. This is the same opposition which last year wanted to impeach Jagdeep Dhankar, saying he wasn't a neutral umpire, that he was batting for the government, he was the government's mouthpiece. There is no love lost between the opposition, particularly the Congress party and Jagdeep Dhankar. They believed that he was extremely unfair to the opposition in the Rajya Sabha and was batting for the government. So they are just fishing in troubled waters, trying to exploit what they believe are the growing divisions between the BJP and RSS, in particular, raising questions of the manner in which the Modi government is now accused of use and throw politics. So they're playing their own politics here, the opposition. They're not here to do any favors to Jagdeep Dhankar, to suddenly praise the same person that you were trying to impeach a year ago seems a tad hypocritical. So I don't lay much store by that. But I think there needs to be clarification as to why such a senior constitutional figure chooses to resign so abruptly on the first day of the monsoon session. And the opacity makes all this speculation grow. Why would someone do something unprecedented like this, particularly someone like Mr. Dhankar, who's been known to be ambitious, who had one eye clearly on Rashtrapati Bhavan, was hoping to move from vice presidentship to Rashtrapati Bhavan by all accounts? Why would someone like that suddenly overnight choose to resign on health reasons? Was his health so serious? Certainly in the morning yesterday, when he was conducting the proceedings of the Rajya Sabha, that didn't seem to be the case. There was a planned BSc meeting and an itinerary was being chalked out. So yes, there are lots of questions. I wouldn't raise, I don't think the opposition is doing it out of any great love for Mr. Dhankar. But at the same time, I think the government needs to come out clean as to what is in some way the backstory that led to a vice president resigning in this manner beyond just the official reason of health grounds.
Right. Thank you very much, Rajdeep, for all those details.